What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. This time we're installing the rear carbon fiber diffuser on the Q50. Alright, so I got it all set up. And this one actually has the LED stoplight as well integrated in it. So I kind of measured it and laid it out, see what it looked like. And it came with like some little cheap, real thin double-sided tape. I took it off and I put the 3M trim tape, which I prefer. I trust a lot, so I did that, and on top of that I'm actually going to put some rivets on here as well, just to keep it from falling off. And I'm going to show you guys how to route this stoplight, so how to tap in to the factory ones. And so we'll do that. And I picked this up as well on the car, and here's the axis that we're actually gonna wire the LED light wiring through. So we're gonna go through here, take this off. Once it's installed, we're gonna come up through here. I'm gonna drill a hole here in the center and just feed it through. Most likely a 3/16 inch with a drill bit, and just feed it through, maintain the seal, and tap into this wire here. So let's go ahead and get started. So I actually cleaned this up with alcohol already, and see, I got my marking to kind of center the diffuser on there. See, got that piece of tape there. All right, let's go ahead and install it. In place, and I got some tape, so once it's installed I'm just gonna kind of set it there. Alright, so we installed it, taped it up, and whenever you put this in, go based off of that. See, I actually put it in from the bottom first on both sides, and then kind of pushed it in, and it lined up perfectly right there against that line. See you guys. Alright, so now we can put the cherry rivets on, the little rivets on at the bottom. Here's the port I told you guys about. That's it right there. All right, that's where the cable is going to be routed through. I'll put it in here, and then connect it up there on top. This is what I'm gonna install at the bottom. Here's the tool to install it. All you do is put it in. I drill the 3/16 hole down here. All right, going through here. I can't see. All right, there it goes. Push it all the way in. Squeeze it. Bam. Look at that. That thing is not going anywhere. All right, and let's do the other one. This is the next one, right here. All right, push it all the way through. All right, push it all the way through. Squeeze. Whack 'em. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more here, another one on the opposite side. Now to wire up the lights. You don't even need to take it off, you can just leave it in there. Just drill the hole right there through the center, like this. Your needle nose through. Grab them on the other side. There it goes. Okay, so the way I wired this up, it's got black, yellow, and red. All right, to the car wires, we are gonna go black with black, red with red, and yellow with the olive green cable. So I use the little Posi tabs. You can find them on Amazon. They are so easy to use. I use this for anytime I'm tapping into a wire, a factory wire, so I won't have to cut anything. The best thing ever invented. And that's what it looks like right there. That's with the light on. Then the brakes, push the brakes, flashes, and that's it. That's how you wire that up. All right, guys, so I have to say that I had to cut this piece because look at that. The angle on it is way off. So I did the other side already. What I used a grinder with a cutting wheel, and came out nice. That fitment. All right, so it took a couple of cuts, but see, I managed to have it nice and flush right there. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing with this side.
Better?
A little more. That's good right there. All right. Now I'll put the bolts back on and because we also got, yeah, that's it right there, the carbon cap for the emblem in the back. All right, so what I did, I just cleaned it off with alcohol. Clean this off with alcohol and put double-sided tape, 3M of course, and just stick it on there. Actually, I test fitted it and it's right on the money. So that's that right there. Wait, about to put some painter's tape on there just to kind of hold it in place. Man, it looks sick. All right, that thing's on. And I'm just gonna leave it on there for a couple of minutes. Just so it can stay properly. Kit now. That looks so freaking dope. Got her, she's all happy.